Hi guys! I've asked a few of you if you would like to see my simple sandal haul I've done recently, and some of you said yes, so I'm gonna do some little simple sandal haul. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs to show you, and most of them are bought in Tesco. I really like Tesco. It's very super affordable, and it's very they've got very comfy shoes, and it's very practical if you work long hours and then the sky is open still late, so you can go and pop in the shop after work as well. And then some of them are from Marks and Spencer. These ones were actually in sale. So these shoes, sandals, they are very simple, and to me, I go by motto: simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, by Leonardo da Vinci. So I'm gonna start with this pair of shoes, sandals. They are absolutely, I've actually walked in them already, so I could try them. They are so comfy, absolutely gorgeous, comfy sandals. They've got beautiful gold dots around the platform. I love that they are on a platform. They are a bit higher because I'm quite small, I'm quite petite, so it makes me look higher. And they are very comfy, and I love that it's all the same kind of length of platform. This year Tesco, I don't know what they've done with the sizes, but it's not it doesn't match my size. So I'm normally size Cinderella size 3, and I had to go for size 4 in Tesco. So you probably most likely go and pick up a size one size bigger, because size 3 was quite small over there. So they are very comfy, and they look stunning with a dress or with long trousers. Yeah, they're great, and they are very comfy. So that's for sandals, and it goes with every color. Beautiful, just it goes with any color. This brown sandal. I got another one in white. Another sandals in white as well. They also like very comfy. They've got gold dots around them, and they've got ones in black as well, but I didn't get the black ones for some reason. They didn't feel the same comfy as these two, I don't know why, so it's better to try. This is also size 4, although I'm size 3, so you'd better pick up the bigger size. And I also got similar sandals on the platform from River Island, but I didn't find them very comfy, and they were uncomfortable right there, so I took them back. They were about 3 times more expensive than these ones, Tesco ones. And to me, they are quite looking very nice, similar. So cheaper but better. Tesco ones. That's a white one. Then I got these sandals. Super affordable as well. I always buy sandals from Tesco because they are great. I love them. They are very comfortable. I have to look for something like this. I can't wear sandals which has got like funk in between the toes, because for some reason my skin just gets red and irritated, and it's just annoying, so I can't wear them. Although I love them, I love look of them so much, but I can't wear them, unfortunately. So these are in gold, and they are very comfy. I love this gold detail there. It's beautiful, like it's all around the sandals. It's gold detail. I love them. So again, I got same ones in this color. I mean, I love gold. Gold just goes with everything. I used to always wear gold. It just goes with everything. Then I got this, also from Tesco, and it's also size 4. Oh, the one size 3. So these ones are this color, and these ones also have got this gold thingy around them, and they will go very nicely with black trousers, black skirt. They are very comfy as well. So that's that. Then I've got some sandals from Marks and Spencer, and these are very comfy, but to me they look a little bit like grandma shoes, grandma sandals. They are not very, to me they are not very chic, but they are so comfy. So comfort for me is number 1. So that's why I kept them, and they were half price as well. That's from Marks and Spencer, these ones. So yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, it was on sale. So yeah, I really like these ones as well because they are so comfy. So I think I'm gonna keep these ones too. And then I also got the back accessory from River Island. I wanted this bag for a very long time, and they still have it there, so I thought to grab it while they have it. I just really like this one. It's very nice for going out or just going for a walk somewhere to the town. For some reason I just love it. I want something bigger because I want to be able to put loads of things in there. It's got a little pocket there and then another one there, so it's got 2 pockets inside, one for a zip and one normal one. This, it's nice leathery shiny style, and this is what how you open it. That's how you open it. I like it that it's quite secure and safe, you know, so you don't have to worry about it, and if anyone is gonna take something out of your bag or anything. There you go. So that's a little bag from River Island as well. I think that was one of the last bags I got. That's it for my little sandals haul. If you enjoyed this little sandals haul, give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.